Alright, so this is Hurricane Irma prep, the before pictures. Looks just like I can only imagine what people, before they had all the technology, what they did. Hey, we got a little storm coming, a little rain shower. So the expectation is 70 to 100 mile an hour winds. We've had 65 mile an hour winds before in Charlie, 2005. That's what made that tree lean. Fortunately, we had it thinned way out about 2 months ago, prepping for hurricane season. So I hope that's still there when we get done. I went ahead and pulled all of the side screen off. Just didn't think it would survive 100 mile an hour. And you can't get out there at 50, 60 mile an hour and say, oh, I think I'll do it now on a ladder. So that's the way it is. Our dock needs a new deck on it, which is 2-inch thick pressure treated lumber. So rather than buy a bunch of plywood that I didn't need after the storm and board the windows up, I bought enough to redo the dock. So if this storm creates a problem that gets through that 2.5 or 2-inch pressure treated lumber, we got big problems. We put the canoe and all of the removed screen and a little bit of our furniture, patio furniture, in the pool, so that's safe. Got one more board to put up. Ooh, getting some gusts. One more board to put up by the bedroom window. Animals are starting to get feisty. Tied up that plant. And let's see. Oh, it's so nice and calm. Trimmed up all these hedges and bushes recently. So we got these 3 big magnolias, which I hope survive. Well, I kind of wonder, because they're always dropping something on the ground. I've talked about maybe having a yard without it, but we'll let the Lord take care of that. So we got the all windows and doors. It took an extra hour and made an entry door. I made my best effort to not cut any of the lumber. Put a little 8-inch tall water barrier down in case this floods here. So I only had to cut these 5, which worked out pretty well because they're 8-foot long boards and the dock's 5 feet wide. So the kitchen window worked perfect. I got those will work perfect for the treads. Gonna back the Tesla up against the garage door with some padding. We got a hurricane rated garage door, but you just don't know. Well, there goes my umbrella. Gonna have to speed it up now. And the Tesla will go 84 hours on AC only, so if we run out of power, I got a generator, but I don't have the propane tank installed yet, so if it's long term, we'll probably get that squared away. Well, there it is, the full walk around. Here we go.